intro because I was just getting into like the good part of the video before my camera decided to be like, hey, let's not record anymore. Let's die. I'm starting this actual series. I'm gonna do this thing. I'm gonna do it 100% full. Deep talks and tutorials is gonna be a thing. I mean, Alyssa Adventures was a fail. It was essentially just a vlog series, but we'll bring that back too. You don't really know me that well, and I don't really know you that well, and I hope that changes because I really want to make friends, and I would really love to learn more about the people that are even interested in watching my videos, because I'm weird. I talk a lot. I talk too fast sometimes, and sometimes I'm the complete opposite, but I love makeup, I love art, I love talking to people. Sometimes. That's debatable. I love making videos, I love making art, I love makeup more than anything in my life. That's a lie. That sounds really crazy. I really love makeup, and I love talking to people about makeup, and I love doing makeup, and literally I will bring my makeup anywhere there might be an opportunity to do it. I love looking at makeup, and I love buying makeup, and I love testing out things, and I love trying out things, and I don't love talking about makeup and new launches and everything. So if you're interested in that, maybe stay for a while, take your shoes off, sit down, and just relax, and maybe we can make something out of this. I'm feeling really good today, and I'm really hoping that I can also share that with you and hopefully get you in a good mood and just distract you from all the drama and terrible things that are happening in this world today. My brows are done. I just want to say that by the end of this video, I want you to be able to leave feeling good and feeling happy. And not like that. I want you to feel good, I want you to feel happy, I want you to feel like this was kind of an escape from your everyday life, and that it was fulfilling, and that you feel nice and good, and like the world is just a little clay ball of madness. Full disclosure, TJ Maxx is like where I go. Most of my makeup I feel like is from TJ Maxx. Most of my makeup brushes are from TJ Maxx. Or Marshalls, or any discount store like that. I mean, those are the only two that I've been lucky enough to go to, but it's like something that I love and something that I look forward to, and whenever I go to a town that has it, then it's like, be prepared to be in there for like a good hour and a half, and honestly, like, when I lived in Muncie, I would spend hours after work. I tired myself out. Like, how in the world can one person just look over and over at one specific section or one specific thing in a store? Like, how can one person do that? I did that. It was me. I did it. Something that I have to say is that when, you have to keep in mind, when you go to like TJ Maxx and Marshalls or whatever, you have to keep in mind that some of those products may be old, some of those products may be discontinued, and that's why they're so cheap. Sometimes there is a chance that they may be used. I mean, there is so many possibilities as to why they're so cheap. So you always have to keep that in mind. I mean, I'm not saying like don't buy from there, obviously. Like, I have so many products from them and so many things that are discounted for a variety of reasons. And plus, like, clearance is great. I mean, I don't need to tell you that, obviously, like, and always check, like, with the drugstore, or like, whatever place you go to see if they have any sales, and definitely rewards programs are everything. I mean, Ulta has a great one. Anyway, so, how are you doing? I want to know that. Like, I genuinely care about how you are, and about, like, how your life is going. Like, is it good? Are you excited for fall? Do you love or hate fall? How do you feel about summer being over? Do you have a birthday? What's your zodiac sign? I love astrology. I have an issue with seeing so many people on Instagram just like has so many followers, and yet like they have like 25 posts, and it's like, how do you do that? Like, how did people come across your page? Did you spam someone? Did you buy followers? Like, what the hell happened? And then I realized that they just delete their post. Like, why do you do that? What's the point? Like, I understand that people want to keep up a certain aesthetic for Instagram, and sometimes they see it as kind of like a blog, which I guess Instagram is kind of like a blog. Back in the day, when I used to make tons of videos and tons of vlogs, and I'd upload like 2-3 times a week, which I know may not seem like a lot for you, but whatever. My point being is that I used to actually make videos quite frequently, and I deleted like all of them because I felt like they weren't good, they weren't funny. I wish that I could show my friends like how different it was back then, or you know, just because it's memories and because I worked so hard on it. Even if I worked really hard on it, I'd have a tendency to delete it. With every look that I do, I try and not like recreate the same one twice unless like I'm not showing the internet, because like then I feel like, you know, that's like a wasted opportunity. There's so many different things that you can do with your face. I don't know what's up with my camera right now, but it's like hurting my feelings. So I deleted a lot of what I was talking about, and I'm just gonna continue to do my makeup and smile and pretend my feelings don't feel bad. But I have an issue with getting foundation under my nose. The issue is I don't do it. So this is a really simple look, and I would like to name this look Al did their best. Regardless of what day I'm having, I usually like to do contour because, I mean, a good contour will just make your day go from bad to less bad. So a good tip, if you have a highlight that's just not popping up, use setting spray. And if you have a highlighter that's too poppin', which is, why would you complain about that? But sometimes, like this highlighter, it's just too much. Like, you look like a glittery mess. Like, you look like you've been to a strip club and it didn't end well. So, like, in that case, just use a powder brush and just blend. Okay, so now we're on to lips and whatnot, and oh yeah, you missed the part where I put on my blush, but yeah, it's right here. And so I decided to go with Cancer from the Zodiac collection. The lip gloss is super freaking amazing. Because life is hard. And now we may add a gloss. So this is the finished product, and that means that it is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and by watching this video, and if you decide that you actually like it, tell me that you like it and press the like button, please. It makes me feel good about myself. Bye! Oh shit, I didn't use setting spray. You know I go hard.